left, you'll miss your putt by about 6 inches. Okay, so this is the most important part. I was explaining this to Zara a couple days ago, that they figured out, and I don't know who figured this out, or how they figured it out, or who they even is, by the way. I have no idea. But it has been figured out that when your ball makes contact with the face of your club, that's the most important part, where your face is aiming. How your face got there, whether it was straight back, whether it was inside to outside, whether it was way out here to there, how your face got to impact isn't as important as what your face looks like at impact. So if your face is square at impact, you have, it's 85% of the importance of the putt, versus your path is only, makes up about 15% of the importance of your putt. Okay? So it's only, we're only really focused on what does your face look like at impact. And then once we figure out what your face looks like at impact, how do we repeat it? It's not, your path isn't very important. Unlike your golf swing, which your path is super important. Okay?
Wait, so this is gray, right?
Gray is a tour
Is
player.
this mine?
Yeah, so each one of those ticks is one of your strokes. See, you took 4 strokes each?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your first putt. We'll go one by one. Your first putt, your face of your putter is aimed 2.4 degrees left. This is you just sitting down thinking that you're aimed at the hole. You're actually 2.4 degrees closed with your putter face. Okay? Your next one, you're 2.25. Your next one, you're 2.49. And your next one, you're actually pretty darn square. Anything 1 on either way, either -1 or +1, is awesome. Okay? So right off the bat, we're going to get your putter face more square.
How do you do that?
We're going to retrain your eyes, because right now when you're looking down, your putter's closed, but you're seeing it to be square. Make sense?
Yeah.
So that's that one. Then, if we look at your face at impact, so this was your face at address, and now this is your face at impact. Anything less than 1 would be awesome. So you're a little bit too much every time. Okay, you never made any of them, right? And this is why. Your
Hey,
face
hi, how
at
are you?
impact. Your face at impact's about 2 degrees, 2.4, 2 degrees, and 1.5. We gotta get that under 1. Okay, so we're gonna have you probably.
Wait, that's negative though.
Negative's fine. Negative just means left, positive means right.
Oh.
Okay. Got it.
It's like,
So this is interesting. If you look at your path,
ooh.
okay, you would think that that's crazy, and you know what? 7 degrees left on your path is a pretty big left. And,
Pretty crazy.
it is pretty big. Look at, so 1 by 1 we're going right now. You have 9 degrees left. This one's 9.5 degrees left, 8.6 degrees left.
Oh.
And then,
Oh. Thank you.
your last one was good. So your last one, your path is actually really good. So
The
how
last
do
one's also one where you had like 0 point something.
yeah, so your last one was a very good putt all around. Good putt all around. But these, if we go back and look at your other ones, 8 degrees left, 9 degrees left, and 9 degrees left.
That's almost 10.
We can work on that so that you'll be happier with.
Wait,
You'll start making some long putts once you get that
Wait, so
close.
technically I was like this when I came in.
Yep, so you're a little close.
A little.
You weren't a ton close. You're really close. There's some people who are 4 degrees closed and have no idea. So you're only like a degree. You can't, your naked eye can't see a degree.
Wait, did you get that thing removed?
No, Thursday.
Wait, yes?
Then what happened?
Thursday I'm having eye surgery.
That was
Are you going to be coming back
Hey,
on
look.
the iPad?
Look at this, Montenegro. Look at this. So this is the dotted line, the dotted color line, is your backswing, and here's your through swing. So you're pulling across your target line pretty hard. Okay? Pretty hard you're pulling across your. Come look at where you're striking it on your putter face. Okay. So you're a little kind of out on the toe a little bit. Here, this is a really, really important page. Back, 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 back. Right off the bat.
Oh.
Here's what we're gonna do. Right off the bat, we're gonna do a drill with you. Okay, and you're gonna work on it while you guys go and do this, okay? But right off the bat, we're gonna put this in between your knees, and you can't have any movement like this. You have a little bit of movement, and you're gonna put a teeny tiny bit of forward press on.
Wait, what do you mean forward press?
Forward press, give me your putter once.
Oh,
You're here, because the reason why this is so important, this back thing, what this is saying to us is that when you hit your ball for an inch or a half inch, or however long, your ball actually travels backwards, and then it starts rolling end over end.
Oh, I hear you saying that to her.
And that will end up getting your ball offline. Your ball will kind of skid, and then it starts going end over end. We need this to eventually say top.
I find this harder to understand than the path thing.
This is a really hard one to understand. This technology is what all the tour players are using right now. Wow. So it's kind of cool that you guys get to use it. But if you can, it's not so much that let me understand the technology and let me make the change on you so that we can then get this to reflect the changes that we need. Okay? You don't need to go and, you don't need to teach this, you just need to understand. Sound good? And look at this path.
Your hair.
Mega, look.
It's like a color.
Look,
Yeah.
that is your path coming across the ball. Hardcore, that's a hardcore left turn, okay? So I want you, about that, don't worry about that, okay? So I want you, this goes right here, this locks you down, no movement like this, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. You'll be able to feel it rolling if you're moving, and it shouldn't even budge. Okay. So put that in here.
Some forward.
Yep, push your hands forward ever so slightly, and I'm just going to put it right here.
Can I do on there? That one isn't.
It's not that.
You can barely stand.
I have something like this at home, but it's like 10 times bigger.
Come here.
That's humongous.
Wait, you live there? You been to my house? Oh yeah, she's been to my house.
Guys,
Alright,
are you allowed to have a plate?
Whoa, but it's
Looks like you're laying an egg.
yeah,
You're laying an egg
forward press.
with a bouncy ball.
Right there. Okay, retrain your eye, and then when you putt, you want to keep it on the board the whole time. 500,000 of those, please. Alright, who's up? Srishti, you up?